Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, all troubles will be out of sight. Yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. All will be together if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough, and have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Through the years, we all will be together if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough. Yourself a merry little Christmas now. Ladies and gentlemen, on saxophone, Mr. Alvin Cornista. Our musical director, Maestro Raul Mitra, and his orchestra. 12 days na lang Pasko na. Maagang pamasko ang hatid ko at ng lahat ng kapusong artista. Special ang gabing ito dahil we are celebrating the big way. Bukod sa kantahan, magtatawanan din tayo ngayong gabi. Kaya dyan lang kayo, sagot ko ang Christmas party. May mga maswerteng pamilya ring tatanggap ng parol na gawa namin. Kaya mga kapuso, have yourself a funny Merry Christmas. And since Christmas is the season of loving, who knows, you might be surprised to find love at the most unexpected places.
Susurpresahin namin ang pamilya ni Mang Sunny sa Marikina para isabit namin ang Kapuso Lantern.
Hindi nila alam na darating kami, kaya sabay-sabay natin silang i-surprise! Kapuso, para bigyan mo kayo ng simbolo ng Pasko ang Panginoon ng atin. Ay, salamat. Bigyan na, sabi ka natin.
Ang saya talaga dahil ngayong Pasko.
Ang Pamilya Reyes ay Certified Christmas Kapuso Family!